Yesterday was a big day in India's vaccination rollout plan. The biggest dry run was carried out in 786 districts across 33 states and union territories. Thousands of health workers also took part in the drill that essentially tested end-to-end actual vaccination process. The health minister, who was in Chennai to review the dry run, has promised a smooth rollout.
The battle against novel coronavirus has entered a decisive phase. On Friday, India undertook the biggest rehearsal for what would be the world's largest vaccination drive. The mock drill was conducted in 33 states and union territories simultaneously. The trials featured end-to-end testing of the entire process. It included uploading beneficiaries and site details, verification of documents, and vaccination itself.
This auditorium, they will be made to sit for about 30 minutes. All those who have gone through the vaccination process, and doctors will be monitoring their health. So very simple procedure: registration, vaccination, and observation, following which a person who has undertaken the vaccine will be allowed to go home.
Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan visited General Medical Store Depot in Periyamedu in Chennai, one of the 4 national vaccine storage facilities to take stock. The other 3 are in Mumbai, Kolkata and Karnal.
I think we need to salute our coronavirus. We need to salute our scientists. We need to salute the leadership of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has inspired everybody, cutting across anything, across all spectrums.
We're standing inside one of the very important places currently in Chennai, in a place called Periyamedu, and this is actually a vaccine storage spot. We're walking from a dry storage region to the cold storage region, and these are the containers which you see are going to hold the vaccines. And once you enter, you could see that, this location on one side, they have been completely dedicated for COVID-19 vaccine. The temperature that is maintained inside this place is actually 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, and these are the sensors that actually are collecting the data and giving it to the officials. These sensors are directly connected to various departments, and that way it's being monitored.
The mega exercise tried to ensure that the minutest details are attended to and any chinks in the chain are fixed.
This is the Delhi State Cancer Institute Hospital. It's part of the Delhi government, and there are officers at the first point of contact that will be looking at filling up forms and details. So these details will be linked with the government's CoWIN app that has been made the one-point center for all information and database.
The government aims to vaccinate 30 crore priority individuals by August 2021 and 50 crore private individuals by 2022 end. The SBI think tank says India will require around 56,000 to 72,000 crore rupees to administer vaccine to 80 crore people. The SBI research pegs the administration cost as 100 to 150 rupees per dose and cost per dose at rupees 250 to 300 per person for Serum Institute's Covishield. This means the per person cost would be around 700 to 900 rupees. 2020 was a lost year. A vaccine is crucial to get normal lives back on track. Now it's just a matter of time before India gets a shot in the arm.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.